Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to divide polynomials using an area model with a remainder. So let's get started. This is the same setup as without a remainder. So our equation today is x cubed plus x squared minus 14x plus 3, all divided by x minus 3. So let's get started. Our first step is always move this denominator to the side of our area model. Actually, our first step is make an area model. Make sure to give yourself enough room to do the whole equation. So x minus 3, we move it over. The x goes in the top. The minus 3 will go in the bottom. Then we move our first term to this first box. So x cubed. Then we think, how many times does x go into x cubed? Well, it goes in x squared times. Then x squared times this number in the bottom, x squared times negative 3 is negative 3x squared. Now we have our negative 3x squared, and then we have x squared. What can we add to negative 3x squared to make it, turn it into x squared? So negative 3x squared plus 4x squared will make it equal to x squared. So in this box, we put a 4x squared. And as you see, if you just multiply these two diagonal boxes together, you will get negative 3x squared plus 4x squared is equal to x squared. And we got this number here. So good, did it right. Now, how many times does x go into 4x squared? Well, it goes in 4x times. Because if you think there's like a 1 in front of this x, so 1 goes into 4 how many times? 4. X goes into x squared how many times? X times. Now, 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x. And again, we just keep repeating the steps. We repeat this diagonal box step. So we have negative 14x and we have negative 12x. Negative 12x plus what equals negative 14x? Well, negative 12x plus negative 2x is negative 14x. So minus 2x is put in this box. X goes into negative 2x how many times? Well, it is negative 2 times. Negative 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then we check, is this 6 the same as this bottom last number? So is 6 the same as 3? No. So 6 plus what is equal to 3? Well, 6 plus negative 3 is equal to 3. So this will be a negative 3 in this box. But then we see x goes into negative 3 how many times? Well, x doesn't go into negative 3. So that's a remainder right there. So our answer will be x squared plus 4x minus 2. And then it could be plus, well, minus 3 divided by x minus 3. So negative 3 over x minus 3. Or you could just say x squared plus 4x minus 2, remainder negative 3. But personally, I prefer this because it is much more specific. If someone just sees this equation, they're like, oh, well, we're divided by x minus 3. But if they see this equation, excuse me, they can't see that you were dividing by x minus 3. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.